Alright, so far this is just in the beta stage. This is going to be the alarm clock. Really can't read anything with this camera. I'll make a better video later. I got the test button here, the start button. There's the test button. This is to close and exit. This is saying what time it is. This is to set your alarm clock time. This is how fast you want it to go. This is thanks to Manka84 for letting me use the sound. So I'm going to change it so that every 3 seconds it's going to update the color. Alright, I'm going to test it. So every 3 seconds it's getting a shade brighter. And that's the last shade. Then you can click, there's an exit button, a big one. If you don't push it, it goes away. I'll click again, it's back, it's gone again. So I'm going to exit. Now I'm back to here. Now let's make it go every 1 second, which means it's going to start before I can make it go full screen. But I'll show you. I'll make it go super fast. I'm not going to make this one go full screen. And I'll make it go really, really fast. Slow it down just a little. So that's basically what I got so far. You can read it a lot better with a white background.